Okay, go.
Okay, start it.
I am.
Alright guys, this video is going to show you explicitly how to enable or disable an actual administrator account in Windows 7 and how to reset the password on any account on Windows 7 and show you how easy it is to do this with Backtrack 4. And I know there's other videos on how to do this out there on the net, but this one specifically, I'm going to walk you through it step by step because sometimes you have to manually mount the actual Windows hard drive partition in your etc fstab and make some configuration changes. So a lot of new people don't know how to do that, especially with Linux. So I'll definitely show you guys how to do that. Waiting for Backtrack 4. Now remember, this is Backtrack 4, the live CD. I'm sorry, the live DVD. And this is an example of how dangerous physical access to a computer system is without full disk encryption, of course. So waiting for the Backtrack 4 distro to load up. Anytime now. Alright, so we're loaded up. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cat my etc fstab file, which is, I'm going to cat it. So obviously there's only two lines in there, so I'm going to have to go ahead and add my Windows partition, which is located on SDA2. So for that I will do VI etc fstab, go in here, and I'm going to go ahead and write this to my etc fstab file, dev SDA2, and my mount point for that would be media HDD, which is hard disk drive, and my file system would be NTFS, the new technology file system. So yeah, dev SDA2, media HDD, NTFS. So that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and write save as, save the changes and exit. So of course now what we have to do is make that directory in the media partition, media HDD, so it will automatically be mounted. So I went ahead and made that directory. Now to actually invoke the program, we're going to use a change NT password, change NT PW, interactive mode, and I'm gonna, I think the battery's going low on my computer, on my camera. Change NT password dash interactive, and I'm gonna use a fully qualified path. So it is going to be media HDD. Oh, I'm sorry. Scheisse. I have to mount it now. Mount. Mount media SDA2. I'm sorry. Mount dev SDA2. Okay, so let's go ahead and mount it now. So now do change NT password dash interactive. Give it the fully qualified name, media HDD, Windows, System 32, config, SAM. Booyah! So now we've actually entered it. So now I can start making changes with the one, which would be edit user data and passwords. One. Milk is my admin account, so I'm going to go ahead and reset the password on Milk using default, so press enter. Clear blank user password, so I would type 1, write the changes, yeah, press 1 for clear blank password. So now the password's cleared. Also, if I want to lock it, I'll go ahead and unlock it as well. I believe it's already unlocked. So just a good habit would be to press forward just to make sure it's already unlocked. Alright, so now it says unlocked under there. Now I'm going to quit with the exclamation mark. It's going to ask me to save my changes after I press Q. Yes, I do. So it says, so everything's okay. I actually wrote to the SAM file, made those changes, unlocked that admin account, and I reset the password and I cleared it. So it should be good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and reboot into my Windows 7 partition. So like I said earlier, this is going to, it shows you how dangerous physical access is on any desktop, laptop if full disk encryption is not in use. That's fine. Windows 7 is starting up. So now I can actually physically select the Milk account and it should let me in with no password. Yep, preparing my desktop. And as you can see as well, this is Windows 7 Ultimate Edition. So we'll give it a second here to load. And remember guys, this is using Backtrack 4, simply showing you how easy it is to unlock and unlock an admin account or any account and reset that password on Windows 7. So just to confirm, we are using Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit edition, and there you go. This concludes our session. My name is Rick, and my beautiful wife Veronica is actually doing the recording, so props for us, and expect more videos soon, more professional videos. This was done with the Sony camera, so eventually I'll install some sort of like Camtasia or record my desktop on Linux. So thanks a lot guys, bye. And remember, Windows sucks and Linux is the best. And I do read your email, so hit me up.